Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are making yogurt at home. I'm going to show you how to make Greek yogurt at home and normal drinking yogurt, and I'm going to show you what to do with your normal drinking yogurt, so please watch till the end. You will start by measuring equal quantity of milk, equal quantity of room temperature water, and the same quantity of hot boiling water. In my own case, I used 5 cups of milk, 5 cups of bottled water, and 5 cups of hot boiling water. Now that we know the quantity of everything we are using, I first measured my milk. I added it into a bowl. Then I added 5 cups of the room temperature water. I gave that a good mix, making sure that there was almost no lumps. Then I added my hot boiling water and mixed very well. So after we have made sure that we've mixed everything very well, it's time to sieve your milk mixture, and that's to make sure that your yogurt comes out very smooth when it's done. After sieving your milk, we are going to do the temperature test now. You can either take a small quantity, put at the back of your hand. If it doesn't burn you, it's done. Or you dip a finger into the milk mixture, hold for 10 seconds, or you count 1 to 10. If it doesn't burn you, then it's ready for the culture. Mix the culture with about half a cup of that warm milk. Stir and add to the bowl of milk, or in this case bucket of milk. I want to make sure that my milk is properly covered, so I'm using a cling film to first cover the bucket before I use the normal cover. Your yogurt needs warmth and darkness, so I'm going to first wrap it in a dustbin nylon. It's a new one, so I first wrapped it there. Then I used something thick to wrap it again. Then I kept it in the cupboard overnight. This was around 7 p.m. in the evening, and I opened it the next morning, so it was about 12 to 13 hours. To make Greek yogurt, you are just going to put some of that into a cheesecloth, cover properly, and put in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. I left mine for an hour and a half, so it's not very thick. I don't want it to be very, very thick, but it was so thick. So for the remaining yogurt, I stirred properly. You can either preserve it like this or add sugar, but me, I made yogurt flour with it. If you know flour, then no, I made something like that with it. And guess what? I made this flour from scratch at home. So if you want to see how I made it, just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to post the video next.